Final update. I'm here to help, all right? That's why I'm making these videos. If you made it this far, well, you're in luck. Yes, you can use foil in the Cosori Airfryer. Hey guys, welcome back to This Trucking Life. Let's talk about the air fryer. Quick summary of the video. It's easy. It takes a little longer than some might say. Always preheat. I use foil to keep the mess to a minimum. As long as you don't poke a hole in it on accident. That might increase the cook time by a little bit, but like steak and stuff, it takes a little bit longer. It's a little bit more done than what some people might prefer. But with that being said, let's cook.
And maybe that's a question you should ask China.
All right, so here we are in the truck. I got some meat. We're gonna, because it's a little still frozen in spots, we're gonna just go ahead and defrost it in the microwave. And then we will cook it. I think we'll do some bacon first. Why don't we do bacon first? Let's do bacon first. Now, please don't make fun of me when you see the duct tape on here. This came in 3, and it was super cheap. I can't remember it come from, did you hear Henry? Guys, Henry's back here. Listen at him. I swear that goose follows me everywhere. He just wants to chase me. Anyways, it's come in 3s, and I was cutting them, and I accidentally cut into this one, and I figured I'm gonna eat that tomorrow, so I'll take it with me to work. So there you are. Bacon! Let's go. I love this channel. Hey. Look at all the stuff going on here, though. Anyways, back to this. Let's go. Okay, so I apologize for the horrible lighting. That's just kind of the theme on my channel right now. We're gonna work on that. It's about to shut down. So this time I took the bacon and put it in strips, you know what I mean? I didn't keep them all together, except there's a double one in there somewhere. I'm just gonna lay it all in there like a mess and see what happens. We're gonna cook it on my new custom preset. What was it that I cooked it at last time, you guys? Let's see what I got bacon set at. 320? Was that what it was at? Let's temp up. Let's go 350 for 8 minutes. So we'll see what happens. Here we go. Listen. No strain. The microwave's telling me it's done. Got some meat in there. Alright. Now we cook. Did I already? Does that mean it's paused now? Shoot. Alright. Here we go. They better keep quiet tonight. I gotta sleep. We are not winning with this lighting, are we? Alright, let's see. 8 minutes at 350. And we are not there, guys. But it looks pretty even, so maybe I should have cranked it to 375. We're gonna do bacon again for another 8 minutes. Oh. At 370. Play. Alright, I'll let you know. And once more, we're gonna check it out and see. Oh my. Oh, sorry, we fogged up. Guys, I think that's gonna do it. I see like a couple areas maybe no, but I think if it just sits there in the heat for a little bit longer. You guys, if you like these videos, you're crazy. Friends, I'm 100% real with you. This is what it looked like on the other side. You have to flip it. I forgot to flip it. So I'm going to do 6 minutes. Yeah. Let's see what that does. Oh my gosh. Okay. I didn't do the full, what was it, 6 minutes? I actually stopped it with like 50 seconds left because I didn't hear any more popping or anything. So that looks freaking excellent. So we're going to eat some bacon soon. Yeah. Twice. 8 minutes on one side and 8 minutes on the other. Came out great. Maybe a little bit more done. So just medium well, but that's gonna do me for 2 days. So let's go, guys. Thanks for watching. If you want to support me in any way, become a member maybe. At least subscribe and like. Click the links in the description below. Check out my merch. I just came up with a funny design for a hat. I had it live at 10 a.m. this morning, and I thought about it last night. I wish I would have jumped on it sooner, but make pets great again. How funny, like seriously, after what happened. And I'm making some shorts. Check out my shorts too about that. It's so funny. Okay, bye. Okay, pro tip on the cleaning, man. You do not want to leave this thing uncleaned for any amount of time, because get you 1 gallon. I use distilled water for the CPAP. Oh, it's right here. Anyways, get you a 1 gallon. Get you some dish liquid, dish soap, non-dish soap. Fill it up with water, a couple drips of dish soap. Shake it up real good. Pour it in here. I let it set for a little bit. All I did was wipe it out with a paper towel. Yeah, I know. But I got all the grease and everything up, but you don't get the smell that way. So I let it set. I'm cleaning out the truck. It's go home day. I let it set for a while. Good old International. The only way to shut that is to shut it. That's like an old car. That's a long story. Check out my video. You can hear me cry about this damn truck. But yeah, Shannon Thomas Trucking, she's got one of these, and she uses liners. So we're gonna use liners. Wow, look at that blur. We're gonna use liners next time. It doesn't get it all, but it'll help clean up, I guess, a little bit. Yeah, just a quick cleanup at the end of your cooking. I think it's still faster than an electric skillet. All right, guys. Again, thanks for watching. It's like your own personal sink here. Check it out. Final update. I'm here to help. All right. That's why I'm making these videos. If you made it this far, well, you're in luck. Yes, you can use foil in the Cosori Airfryer. Cosori Airfryer. I looked it up. It's on their website. Believe it, it's on their website. You can use foil. I'm gonna try it, and we'll see if that affects like how long it takes to cook. Because if it does, then it's just like my electric skillet, and that's gotta go bye-bye. But this one has the element on top, and I don't know if that one on the bottom would be used when I have it on steak mode. I'm not sure how it cooks. I know it rotates, but it says as long as the foil doesn't move, you can use it, or you can use parchment paper liners. We'll try foil first because I already have some. So, and with that, my friends, make sure you subscribe, like. There'll be a part 2 or a short or something about, hey, did the foil work? Or honestly, if I don't get this edited on my time off, then I'll continue recording. This got to be like 80 minutes long already. The foil works great. Just make sure you do not poke a hole in it.